Welcome guys on my YouTube channel, and you are watching my channel IELTS with Sophia. And in this video I will talk about your listening, like how you can improve your listening module. First of all guys, subscribe my channel IELTS with Sophia so you can get lots of notification of my numerous videos which I upload on daily basis, and that videos will be very beneficial for you. This video will be in English so you can easily understand and so you can easily motivate that you can also speak in English in front of others, especially in front of your speaking examiner. Guys, if I talk about a listening module, then listening module, it's a very easy, super easy piece of cake module. So that's why you can do lots of practice for achieving good band score in listening module. First of all, you should attempt one listening test in the early morning when you get up. You should become an early bird so that you can do one listening test in the early morning and you can improve your listening power, because in the morning time you feel too fresh. After attempting one listening test, when you got 30 out of 40, 25 out of 40, 38 out of 40, it's depend upon the time period, but when you got your listening test marks, after that you should on the subtitles and check your answers, like where was you wrong, where was you right, where you did not understand properly conversation. With the help of these tips, you can easily achieve your desired band score in listening module. Moreover, you should listen lots of English videos, audios, so you can improve your listening power, so you can become able to listen in English. Yes, you should watch a number of videos in English, plug in your earphones so you can easily understand English. Guys, with the help of these tips, you can become smart in English module. Last but not least tip is you should also listen podcast. You should record some podcast in your phone, and before sleeping you should plug in your earphones so you can easily understand, like morning, evening, afternoon, night, whenever you get chance you should listen in English more and more. Just you have to do this work if you want to get 8 or 9 band in listening module. With the help of listening module, you can increase your overall, you can easily get your desired band score. So that's why you have to do a strong practice in listening module. Yes guys, how was my video, how was my tips? So that's why subscribe my channel IELTS with Sophia, stay connected IELTS with Sophia, like my Instagram page IELTS with Sophia, like my Facebook page IELTS with Sophia, so you can get lots of notification regarding IELTS which I upload on daily basis. You can join my Telegram channel. Guys, first of all I want to tell you just one thing, after that I will end my video. Like, I am enjoying too much to speak in English. Yes, I'm really enjoying. If you will enjoy to speak in English, then definitely you will notice that now you are improving in English. I also started to make a video in English, so that's why I can improve my confidence, so that's why I can improve my power to speak in English in front of others, especially in cameras, especially in front of public. I am also trying to speak in English, so that's why now I have started to make a video in English. Yesterday I uploaded one video in reading module, today I uploaded one video in listening, tomorrow I will upload one video in writing module. So that's why subscribe my channel IELTS with Sophia. Stay connected IELTS with Sophia. God bless you too much and do practice now.